I am a historian, and I've seen how making one religion or one language important damages a country. You are all seeing the visuals from Sri Lanka today. Sri Lanka could have been the most prosperous country in perhaps even the whole of Asia. It has very high levels of education, healthcare, gender equality, and yet they destroyed it because of Sinhala and Buddhist majoritarianism. The imposition of one religion and one language on everybody else. And you are seeing the consequences of the self-destruction of Sri Lanka by a country with so much potential, by selfish politicians who want votes to win an election. And we do not want Karnataka, India to go down that way. Sri Lanka is a cautionary tale. It's for all of us, and I'm very, very happy that many progressive organizations in our state have taken the lead in organizing this convention in Udupi, which will help us restore our strengths, which are pluralism, diversity, tolerance, interfaith harmony.